This gearbox has just come back from Les Collins Racing. Had some work done to the inside of it. Very good Nissan Option 1 box, very expensive box. And it's going in this Datsun, or going back into this Datsun 1600. It's a car I built a long time ago, and I'm doing sway bar bushes on it as well. And yeah, the gearbox is going back in. The clutch in it is in really good condition, so I'm going to leave that alone. It's a paddle clutch, and got an R200 diff in it, and a Skyline trailing arms. We're doing a little bit of work to them, and I'm fitting new DMS Drummond Motorsport shocks that the owner, Bill, purchased a while ago, and they were never fitted, so I'm getting them fitted to the car now. But yeah, it's a real nice little Datsun 1600. And that's one mount built, and I'm in the middle of machining up the next mount for it.